Not every day you get to shoot original PG7 warhead. Those are pretty much obsolete now, and it's very hard to find them anywhere in the wild. So this is the original warhead the RPG-7 was designed for. This concrete one is from 1969, excuse me. And what better launcher than, instead of the slightly modernized Polish one, classic Bulgarian one. Seating the rocket, mechanical sights up, backblast clear. Still works. So guys, today we will take a look how to clean and maintain your RPG-7 with the most basic repair on the RPG-7, and that's a firing pin assembly exchange. So how do you clean RPG-7? First of all, you remove the optic, like so, then you turn it upside down, start hot water and just rinse it through. That way you flush out all the unburned propellant and the particles after burning. After flushing down the RPG with water, just use WD-40 and run it through. Let it sit for a little bit. Regarding maintenance, in a shooter's bag we have pocket for cleaning rod. Here we have scraper, T-handle, and then extra rod for pulling through with a piece of cloth. Anyway, I'm using only those two. You screw them together. Okay, this cleaning rod you can run through from both sides, just as it is a scraper. You can rotate it a little bit inside this one. Then turn it again upside down and scrape from the front. The spring-loaded parts, make sure that even the expansion chamber, which have wider diameter than the muzzle, will get cleaned. After that I take 3 baby wipes, wrap them around the expansion parts, like so. Nothing too fancy. And run it through like so. Turn the RPG around again. You can see this is all the dirt that we collected. Now, since it's wet wipes, it's still a little bit like wet and greased. For that we use normal dry cloth. We just put the cloth over, use the same rod. Run it through a few times until it's completely dried. Repeat the process from front. Like this, the RPG is dry, and we are sure that even when we run it in dusty environment, there will be no dust and debris sitting on inside the tube. We flush it out with water, so we got away all the paper parts from the boosting, from the boosters that tend to stay inside the tube, and like this, RPG is serviced and ready to go. To remove the trigger group from the RPG, we need to push down on this pin. So, after we got the pin out, now we need to tap the trigger group so it detaches. So, we got the pin out from the trigger group. Now with downward pressure we remove the trigger group. Here it's a little bit stuck, so I took a hammer. Hammer it down. And here is your trigger group, still covered in factory grease. Here is a leaf spring. With this motion you cock the hammer. Like this it go up. Here we can see also the factory cosmoline still. Let's keep it that way, it works. And here we have our firing spring assembly. In case we have broken firing pin, when we press it we can't see it protruding inside the tube. We need to change it. This occurs relatively often with RPG7s. That's why in shooter's bag, in a small pocket is this pouch with spare parts. We open the pouch. We got tool to depressing the firing spring, the tool to make this nut loose, pin puncher, and finally new complete firing pin assemblies. 2 of them are in the basic kit. So we unscrew this one. Assemble it together, the cap with the thread. Like so. And screw it back in. Tighten it up slightly, not too much. Just like so. Make function check. Look down the tube that the firing pin is protruding. Take your grip assembly, rest it on this teeth, like so, upward pressure, slightly tap with hammer, and then just put this pin back in place. So.